Whoa guys, what's up? We're out here today doing a parts run for my buddy Macon. He's gonna be we're gonna be basically building his 87 Cutlass into a little street strip car, probably more strip than street. But look what we picked up. A burnt motor. What is that, 455?
455.
455.
70, 455. 365 horse stock.
Yeah, but you ain't gonna leave it stock.
I don't think it's stock. We're gonna find out.
Yeah?
We're gonna find out.
You got the rear end out of the Cutlass? Did you get my piece?
Got it right here. Got 50 bucks on the other stuff.
That's all?
That's all.
Nice.
And he didn't charge me a dime to cut that out of there.
Cool.
Now you said, now that was pretty nice, now wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna get on the road and take this stuff to the shop and get it unloaded.
I'm gonna put this, well, I gotta put my drive.
Well, this is what happens when you buy a burnt motor. Let's see if it's gonna do it again. Look at that. Probably every one of them's full.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's a rebuild, you know? Yeah. It ain't like it hurt. I don't think it hurt it.
No, maybe they don't have rust either, so you don't know. You don't know.
That one didn't have any in it.
Maybe the piston was up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Let's see.
You know what fuckers talking about me on YouTube?
There ain't nobody gonna talk about you on YouTube.
Bad motor.
You didn't buy a bad motor. You bought a hell of a core.
Yeah, I know that's right.
And like you said, you got your fucking rebuild money right here. You're gonna sell that 400 turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's a little background on this motor. It was in a 70 Cutlass that was in a garage fire. There we go. And yeah, it's full of water. You could actually see, I don't know if you can see the drip. Oh yeah, you can see the drip. I know once we get this thing on the stand and drain the oil, there's gonna be a lot of water come out. But you can't really tell. This cylinder didn't get any water in it. I think both the valves were closed. These cylinders are beautiful. This thing was just rebuilt. But we've got rust in cylinders. So what he's gonna do is we're gonna tear it apart. We're gonna get it to the machine shop and see if it might be able to be fixed with just a hone. If not, you know, he's gonna bore it 30 over and find pistons. That's the hard part nowadays, is finding fucking pistons. You can't, they're just not making anything right now. They're not producing them. But yeah, and you know, it's got this big old ugly Edelbrock intake. It's ugly because it's been in a fire, but we looked it over and there ain't nothing wrong with it. And that's something somebody could do at home, is clean that ugly thing up and get it looking good again. But yep, this is my Oldsmobile story for the day. I may come back once we get the motor on the stand and drain it. I think that's going to be pretty interesting. All right, so we'll see you once we get that far with it.
No, it's not.
All right, guys. We got her up on the stand here. Now, something that I saw, and it was freaking life-changing. See that? All I did was cut 2 notches in that old milk crate, and it gives you a good stable place to set your drain pan. Can you fucking believe that? All right, we're getting ready to drain the oil in this, and I think it's going to be mostly water, so we're going to film that, and you're going to like it. So give me a minute. What was that one's problem?
That one, it was clean. It was clean.
I just throw these bolts in the bucket. You know what they're gonna be. You know, they can only be one fucking thing.
Hit that one.
Which one? Oh, I missed one.
You might as well run the other ones off on the other side with the same socket. And
Yeah,
then,
but I'm just zipping this out. Here you go. Fucking barbecue grill makes the best workbench.
barbecue grill. Oldsmobile barbecue motor.
Hold on, I'll hand them all to you at once. I'm pretty fast at this one. There's a lot of silicone on this pan.
I didn't put it together.
Yeah, well, whoever did used a lot of silicone.
Rubber ducky. I guess
All
he
right.
didn't want it to leak, did he?
Where's that pry bar? Kind of like that about Oldsmobile. They give you a nice little prying spot here. See that?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, this is the moment of truth.
Let's see what this guy's done in here. See what he's done in here. Dude, it don't look bad.
That
at
looks
all.
like new shit.
That don't look bad at all. Dude, that don't look bad at all. No.
Wish we could roll it over.
Yeah, that don't look bad at all, dude.
I can't
Crank
tell.
is good, huh?
Is that a forged crank?
Oh, it's gotta be a forged crank, dude. They are ARP bolts in here. Cause that's not a stock bolt, huh?
No, that's
bolt.
not.
Yeah, that's not a stock bolt. Something made me look better. Huh?
What size is this? I want to pull a cap off and look at the bearings.
Doesn't make any difference right now.
I know, but it's
We're
fun.
gonna pull them apart anyway.
It's fun. What's this timing chain? Is that that's a single row timing chain?
Huh? Yeah, that's a.
Well, I don't know. Could you even get a double row in there? It doesn't look like a double row.
Yes,
would
that
fit.
is a double roller already.
Oh, is it? It looked like a single to me.
No, that's a double.
It looks awful.
They look wide.
Looks awful
look
single-ish
wide, huh?
to me. Looks like a fucking single, but
They look wide. That's what that is. You know the bottom half of the motor looks great, huh?
yeah, it stayed in the oil. The water, I don't think, got up into it, or at least not that bad.
Yeah, the bottom of the motor looks great, dude. I'm being honest with you. I'm just saying if we
Look
can
at that!
save
Look
a
at the
couple-
skirting on these pistons. These
Huh?
are special fucking pistons. Look at those. Look at that? Those little lines.
Yeah.
That's aftermarket shit. I think. I don't know.
These fucking rods look like Gorilla rods, don't they?
Something. I don't know. Hopefully when I put this video out, Dallas looks at it and he could tell me all kinds of shit about this. Look at that. That's got numbers on it. This thing has been. Has this thing been balanced?
That's what I'm saying.
'Cause it
Somebody
looks
did
like-
that on purpose.
Look at that. No. But look. There's numbers, but there's like half a number.
Right, and
So
that's
they
what that's what I
ground that
said.
off.
Did they do that on purpose? Because it's over here too.
They had to ground that off.
They said the dude that built this was a bad son of a gun, though. That's what he said.
Man, I wish we could roll it over.
No, because we don't want to bust the
I know.
what's the name of? Let's go ahead and get it and soak it on the other side.
All right. Well, we had some rust in the cylinders. So what we got is some 30% vinegar. And goddamn, it stinks in this shop right now. But we poured it down in 2 cylinders. And you can see it's already doing something. It's already being crazy. And actually, oh, fuck. Don't do that when you got a cut. Sorry. Ow. I didn't know I had a cut on that finger. But you can feel, this was a rusty cylinder, and I can feel that it's smoothing out on the inside. So we're going to let this soak for 24 hours and see what happens. We're hoping that it might be able to get away with a hone on the cylinders of the chicken fried motor. Feel that. Make sure you don't have a cut on your finger though.
Huh?
That shit will get you if you got a cut on your
I ain't got
finger.
no
Feel
cut.
right in there.
Yeah, I know.
That was rough before. You know, that had scale on it. But yeah, we're checking out the vinegar. So, and we'll let you know, if not in this video, in the next one, how everything worked out. And you know what I always say, like, share, subscribe. If not, I don't give a